Let's get more now from Ted Simon. He is one of Amanda Knox's lawyers and joins us exclusively. Mr. Simon, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Here we have a statement from a child murderer. What makes you think that the court hearing Amanda's appeal will put any stock in it?
Mario Alessi's recorded statement that Rudy Gaudet told him Amanda Knox and Rafael Sollecito were not present at the time of the tragic murder of Meredith Kercher is both significant and supportive that this was a wrongful conviction. You know, this statement understandably and clearly corroborates the unequivocal fact that there was no forensic evidence of any kind of Amanda Knox found in the room where Meredith Kercher was found or on her person. This critical statement should be taken in combination with all the other evidence. You know, Rudy Gaudet, this is not the first time he's made this statement. He has said this before. In fact, he said it when he fled Italy for Germany at about the time of this tragic event. The Italian authorities were monitoring his communications, and back then he said the same thing, that Amanda and Rafael were not present. So those prior statements, in combination with the unequivocal fact that the forensic evidence clearly demonstrates that Amanda Knox was not present in the room at the time when Meredith Kercher was killed, taken together, it's very significant.
I have to bring up, Mr. Simon, the 427-page jury opinion that was just released. In it, the jury specifically cites as a reason why they convicted Amanda the forensic evidence. They talk about Amanda's DNA on the knife, her footprints found at the scene, traces of her blood mixed with Meredith's in the bathroom.
Well, how
will you address all of that in your appeal?
Well, that's actually incorrect, because with respect to...
That's what they said.
Well, not exactly. What they said with regard to the knife, there were competing experts. And this was not there was a speck of purported DNA on the blade of Meredith Kercher. But it was not the DNA testing that we've come to know that convicts the guilty and exonerates the innocent. Rather, it was known as low copy number testing, which is a form of testing that's been held to be wholly and unbelievably unreliable. And that was what was done there. The court's opinion, though, the motivation is encouraging in many other respects, because it rejected the prosecution's ever-changing theories of the case, concluding there was no planning, there was no premeditation, and that this was not the result of any resentment. In fact, the motivation contains internal inconsistencies, and it's based on conjecture and unproven facts. So we're actually encouraged by that. As well as your other statement, there was no mixed blood. Rather, there was some specks of Meredith Kercher's blood found in a common bathroom used by Amanda Knox. So it's not unusual to find some of her DNA in the bathroom. It would be no different if I, permit me, were in your bathroom and I accidentally bled in there. We would find my blood mixed with your DNA. That is very insignificant.
All right. Well, the jury disagreed with you. Let's see what the appeals court believes. Ted Simon, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.